Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And in today's episode we're going to be making a burger that is one of my favorites, one that I created, called the Buffalo Dill Burger. So for this you're going to need 1 pound of ground buffalo, and you can find this at a lot of stores. I think it's pretty common. A lot of my stores that sell these are Costco, Albertsons, Safeway, and a lot of other stores can bring these in if you request it. So you'll need 1 pound of buffalo, and this recipe you can even use just regular ground beef. And you'll need 1 pound of these crispy dill chips. They are made by Fresh Gourmet, and you can pick this up. I believe it's in the produce department. My wife picked this up at Costco, so it was just down one of the aisles. I think they were having a special on it. But Fresh Gourmet is usually kept in the produce department. So you can find them there, or I'm sure you can find them on Amazon. If I can find those, I will put a link in the description down below. And they are phenomenal. You guys need to try these. I mean, they're great just to snack on. But I decided to put these in a burger and experiment a little bit, and they were fantastic. If you want to, you can also add cheese to this recipe too. Just mix in some cheese, whatever cheese you like, and it's awesome. All right, guys, let's get into it. Alright, so pretty simple, straightforward. Just mix one with the other. It's a pretty easy recipe. It's one of my dull knives I need to sharpen. That's why it's the only one on my scabbard right now. Just got a job at a local grocery store, so I took my good knives with me over there. And that one's kind of worn down, so I've been keeping that in my block. Alright, so we've got our 1 pound here. Got our pickle chips, mix those in with it. Apologize, I haven't made a video in a while. I've been kind of sick. Family's been sick and everything. We've been kind of passing it around. Still not completely over it, but I wanted to make a video for you guys. I know it's been close to a month since I put one out. Want to be a lot more consistent with it, but also getting a job, just a little bit harder to kind of juggle that schedule. Alright, that's mixed in well enough. So now we can season this, and when you season this, season it really lightly. These chips have a lot of seasoning and salt in them, so you don't want to over salt it. So for this recipe, I'm going to use this Purple Heart maple bacon. And this is made by Fragout. That I actually bought this locally in my town. I'm not sure where they're located, but man, this seasoning is really good. If you guys get a chance, look them up. If I can find this on Amazon, I'll link that down below too. But that's one of my favorites right there. I was really happy to support local business and buying one of those. Make our patties. Now these aren't going to shrink very much, so normally with the higher fat content ground beef, I like to really spread it out, because once they start cooking they just shrink up and then turn super fat. But these guys don't shrink up much. And you can also add bacon bits to this if you want to inside of here, and that's really good too. Sometimes I'll add cheese, sometimes I won't. Just depends. Guess I'll be making 1/4 pound patties today. Went to thaw this out last week. Wanting to make a video for you guys, and I wound up losing my voice, so couldn't make a video. Now let's give this a good seasoning. And you want to be light with this. I mean, that's good enough there. I don't want to go too heavy. I've used another seasoning and I over seasoned it and it was super salty, so just want to make sure you just enough to give it some flavor. I mean, even those pickle chips are flavor enough. You really don't even need seasoning. But a lot of people don't like buffalo. They say it's a little bit gamey. I really don't find that at all. I personally love buffalo. I don't think it has a gamey flavor at all. To me, deer has a lot more of a gamey flavor than buffalo does. 2 more to go. Making these for my lunch today. This is Christmas Eve when I'm shooting this, so I gotta work a closing shift and clean the department for once. We have guys who come in, and like a company who cleans my department, which is awesome. I haven't personally cleaned a meat department in since 2017. All the shops that I've worked at always had people come in and clean them. Alright guys, next step, throw them on the smoker. Alright guys, burgers are done and out of the smoker. Now it's time to give this thing a taste test. Really, really good flavor. Man, that's good. Never disappoints. I even put a piece of Swiss cheese on there. I've got some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce and some mayo, and you have yourself a great burger. Man, you guys need to try this. So I'm thinking about doing more cooking videos on my Traeger. I'd like to do more pie recipes. I really enjoy making things like blueberry pie, apple pie, really any kind of pie, blackberry, cherry. If you guys would enjoy those kind of videos, kind of a tutorial on how to make those, let me know. I've made a few and they've turned out excellent on the smoker. If you guys haven't done any of those on your smoker, you should definitely try that. Or if you want me to stick to meat cutting and recipes with meat on the smoker, let me know as well. But please give me a thumbs up. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys have a great Christmas coming up and a Happy New Year. And I will see you guys in 2024.